Hey everyone! Welcome to today's video where I'm diving into a key tool every investor should have in their arsenal. Fundamental analysis. Let's break it down into simple terms and see how you can use it to make smarter investment decisions. First things first, let's talk about financial statements. Think of these as the report cards for any company. The income statement, it's like a detailed account of how much money the company is making and spending. It's your go-to to check if a company is actually profitable. Then there's the balance sheet. This one lists everything the company owns, like assets, and what it owes, like liabilities. It gives you a snapshot of the company's financial stability. Are they standing on solid ground or sinking into debt? And we can't forget the cash flow statement. This tracks the cash coming in and out, and it's crucial because it shows how well a company manages its cash. Cash is king after all. Moving on, you need to look at the company's position in its industry. What's their market share? Who are they competing against? How fast can they grow? Companies that lead their industries and show potential for growth typically make for better investments. Now, don't overlook economic factors. Interest rates, inflation, and general economic conditions can seriously impact a company's performance. A thriving economy usually means thriving businesses, but if the economy is struggling, even strong companies might face challenges. So, think of fundamental analysis as a comprehensive health checkup for a company. By understanding a company's financial health, its standing in the industry, and the economic backdrop, you can spot undervalued stocks, those gems priced lower than their actual worth. Grabbing these at a bargain means you could see significant profits when the market finally catches up to their true value. Fundamental analysis isn't just about crunching numbers. It's about understanding the bigger picture and making informed decisions that can help propel you towards your financial goals. With patience and diligent research, you're setting yourself up for investing success. Thanks for watching, and remember, smart investing is all about staying informed and making the right moves at the right time.